The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, initially rumored for an October release, was expected to launch this week, though that hasn't materialized. Meanwhile, leaks about the device continue, with Evan Blass recently sharing an official unboxing video on X. The video shows a minimalist packaging made of black cardboard, and as anticipated, the box does not include a charger. The phone will be offered in several colors, including blue, graphite, gray, mint, and yellow. The video also highlights the phone's stand-up feature, the most powerful camera ever in the Galaxy Fan Edition series, capable of capturing stunning low-light portraits. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultrawide lens, an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel front camera for selfies. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition will be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2400E chipset, a slightly less powerful version of the Exynos 2400. It will feature a 6.7-inch display with a peak brightness of 1,900 nits, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and will have a 4,700 mAh battery. The phone is IP68 rated for dust and water resistance and will support Galaxy artificial intelligence features. According to a recent SmartPrix report, the 128 gigs model will be priced at $649 in the US, while the 256 gigs model will cost $709. These prices mark a $50 increase for the base model and a $20 hike for the 256 gigs version compared to the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition, which launched on October 26, 2023, for $599.99, 128 gigs, and $689.99, 256 gigs. This price bump may be disappointing for those planning to purchase the device. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.